Hey guys, in the last video we have seen how to create a Git account and how to set up the SSH key in your GitHub account. So in this video we're going to see how to move our project from an IDE to the Git. Okay, so for that we need to create a repo and then we need to run some Git commands. So then the project will be moved to the repository. Okay, so we'll follow the steps given on this page. Okay, the first step mentioned here is to create a new GitHub repo. Okay, we'll create a repo in the name of our project. Right click, refactor, rename, then copy the project name and go to your GitHub, create a repository, add it here. That's it, and leave it as public if you want public. Okay, and then create a repository. So we have created our repository, and now we need to follow the steps mentioned in this page. So the next step is initialize the Git. We need to run git init in the terminal. Git init. So we have initialized, and the next step is add the files to the Git index. So we need to run git add -a. So all the files in the project got added to the Git. Now commit added files. Like we need to commit the added files. For that we need to use git commit -m. And then we need to give a description. Fine. Now we need to follow the next step, add new remote origin. So this remote origin will be available inside your repository. Like if you get into your repository, then you will be able to copy this. So copy this thing, and so what we need to run is like git remote add origin. Here git remote add origin, and then paste that SSH. Done. So now the last command is like push to GitHub. We need to push the things which we stored in the Git file. We need to move it to the GitHub. So for that we need to run git push origin master. See, now all the files are moved to the repository. Now we'll check the repository whether it has any file or not. So this is our repository. So inside which we got one branch as master. So this master is nothing but we have given it here like push origin master, right? So this is the branch name. So we got one branch created and all the files are added to the branch. Okay guys, this is how we need to add a project to the repo using the commands of Git. And I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.